Hey guys, I am back with another video. If you are new here, please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and let's get on into this video. It is 6:34 a.m. I already have my coffee made right here. I'm trying to be productive today and get up early and start packing stuff. And I have the fire pit sitting in the living room. But I have my grow light on those couple plants over there. But I'm going to go and pack some orders and do some other things to get started for today. I think I want to deep clean the kitchen because it needs some help, like really. I haven't wiped down the cabinets in a while, so I'll be doing that today. But first I'm gonna go and get some other stuff done and I'll get back with you guys. I'm so glad, you guys, that this storage bin was delivered last night. I'm gonna put it together today. It is going to make my office more functional, and I'll be able to put more items in here for my customers instead of going back and forth into the other area to get things. And it'll also look nicer in here. So I'm going to get this thing put together. Girl, when I tell you that I was planning on saving this piece here to put into my other storage area, and when I took this apart to move it there, I tore it up. Like, I broke it all the way down. So the bottom half is the only part that I'll be able to use, so I have to toss out the top. Frustrating. Yeah, when I tell you that I have put together things more complicated than this little shelf here, but this thing was giving me the hardest time. I was like, do I have to wait for my husband to get off work to put this thing together? Because it's getting on my nerve. Once I got the base of it put together, it was fine. But the process of doing it and beating these little white things that kept falling off with the little mallet that they provided, it was a hassle. I really like this storage cabinet and it fits perfect right here. I'm glad I got the size that I did. So now I consider this area right here my shipping station. So now I could just put the packages on top of there and, you know. Okay, y'all, since I'm finished in here for now, I'm going to go ahead and season some tilapia, shrimp, and veggies and get them put onto the grill. So I also grilled some chicken thighs and placed them into some containers for an easy meal prep. So when I'm hungry for lunch or snack or something, I can just grab that. Guys, when you take a look at my romper a little later in the video, you're going to see like a white spot on my jumper bottom half. It is bleach. Somewhere during my cleaning process, I end up getting bleach on my clothes.
Cruising down PC, H with the BZ, lighting up the cheesy. She half nigga like Riri. It's winter, but it's 80. And now I'm doing 80. Pushing the Mercedes. twist my fingers, but I do count bucks. Have it ready for me when I pull up. On the move, cause you lose when you stuck. Ride a duel with the crew, leaving dust. Lakers on the 730, that's a must. Bust downs on the bus. They'd rather slide with us, I stay out the way. I'm minding my own, stay in the zone, I fly on my own. One time for the west side, nah, won't say it's the best side, but you already know where everybody go when they get a little dose. The left side, yeah, 2 times for the west side, nah, won't say it's the best side, but you already know where everybody go when they get a little dose. The left side, yeah, real west side, west side, west side, west side. On the left side, the best side, real west side, west side, west side, west side. On the left side, best side.
The house slippers that my son has on are Mario Brothers slippers that go with his pajamas, and he's so excited about these slippers. I wanted a pair of them myself too, but they make this sound when he presses the button like it's car taking off extremely fast.